Okay, now we are at the new booth and look at this brand is 左向 Lighting, and you can look at their products at this place. So I think we have found some different things. Maybe it's just something like yesterday we've learned. Okay, so then we are going to go into their booth and try to know more information about 左向 Lighting. Okay. Alright, so now we are at the booth of 左向 Lighting and I met their manager. So first of all, my name is Risa. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Ben. Yeah, nice to meet you, Lisa.
Okay, nice to meet you, Ben. Alright, so shake hands. Okay, so actually we are really interested in your products. And as I can see, there are so many different emergency lights and also some different induction lights, right? Yeah. So can you say something about your products first?
Okay, first I'll make a brief introduction about our Guzhen company. Guzhen company is it's a traditional company just involved in fire emergency lighting for more than 10 years. So actually, during early stages, we mostly focus on the Chinese market. But right now, you know, with the development of Chinese industry. So,
yes,
in recent years, we just make a big effort for overseas market.
Okay.
So now, currently, for overseas market, we just mostly is for the Southeast Asia, some of Europe, Middle East, like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, so actually you are expanding your overseas market at this moment, right? In these years.
Yeah.
So from which year? From last year or several years ago?
5 years ago.
5 years ago.
Yeah.
So do you have a big market in foreign countries?
Foreign countries are like Vietnam, Indonesia, and Saudi Arabia, like that.
Okay, alright. There are so many different countries, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so then I'd like to know something about your main product. Can you introduce the best-selling one to us?
Yes, actually, maybe 5 years ago, we just for some lifestyle like this kind of, that is for overseas market. But now, because of Chinese development, I think we not only to export the product, we also export of standard.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, like this.
The service, the standard, right?
Yeah, standard, yes. I think the standard and the technology for the fire emergency lighting in China, I think is advanced in the world. Yeah, maybe from
this is your
this is new product.
Right?
Yeah, this is a new standard in Chinese market. We call it is central control and central power supply system.
Okay, so it's
yes.
a kind of smart light.
Yes. Maybe we can call it smart fire emergency lighting system.
Ah, okay. It's really fashionable. I can say that, right? Okay. So, would you like to say more about the product?
I just make introduction about the advantages of this kind of system. For the traditional fire emergency lighting, there is a battery inside, and it's high voltage. Yeah. But this system is the lighting. Inside the lighting, there's no any battery, because it's powered by the centralized power supply like this. Okay,
so there is a system to control the lights, right?
Yes. We call this is a controller. This is a central controller.
Okay.
This is just like a brain, Yes, like a brain.
Yes.
And this is just a signal, just to communication.
Yeah.
And this equipment is for power supply. Yeah.
So it can show how does the light work.
Yes. And for the lighting, this lighting we call this is just like a pixel. Understand pixel, like a pixel. So just like like a individual, like a person.
Individual.
Yeah, individual. Yes. Everyone have a name. This one is have an address. Address.
Okay.
So every address maybe what is the status? It can be showing on this monitor. We also call it monitor.
All right. So they connect together.
Yeah, connected. Right? Yes. And we call it smart. Why we call it smart? Because because it's for fire. If some places it's happened fire, so and they can change the status of the how to say indicating status.
Yeah.
For example, like this, I say, like this. This arrow. For example,
it can show us which way to go, right?
Yeah. Like this. If in the left side there happens some fire, and this one will be how to say, be off.
Yes.
And only the right one.
This one will be on, and then you can know you need to go this way to save your life, right?
Direction. Give you the right direction for escape from the fireplaces.
All right, so I'd like to know something about the material of the product. What is the main material?
The materials, we just how to say, what our product is produced according to the standard. Yeah, we work with GB. GB 叫国标, like a national standard.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so you make these products according to the national standards, right?
Standard,
okay.
yes.
Right,
Like what we use metal, we use steel, stainless steel, or like aluminium. No, how to say, no glass. One of the fragile materials. No.
Yes, all right, I got it. So would you like to sell these products into maybe the foreign markets?
Yes, sure.
Of course, right?
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Okay, so thank you for sharing. I think I got a real detailed information about your products, and I know this really I can call it a high technology, right?
Yes,
because it can control the lights.
Yeah, smart fire emergency lighting system.
Yes, okay, I got it. So thank you for sharing and thank you for your time. So I hope to see you again. Okay. See you. All right. So thank you. And then we know something about the emergency lighting made by the 左向 lighting. And then we're going to know something more. Okay. So we're going to find another booth. Let's go.